In the north of Kuala Lumpur, just outside the city border, you will find the famous Batu Caves. The Batu Caves today is a place of worship for the Tamil Hindu inhabitants of the city. With its colorful palais, it functions as a temple for one of their deities. In 2006, the main statue was completed only after a period of 3 years. The statue, which is 43 meters long, represents the deity Murugan. It all started when in 1890, a well-known Tamil trader by the name of Tambusami Pillai dedicated one of the main temples to the deity Murugan, who is seen as one of the main deities of the Hindu Tamil people. When visiting this unique location, you will need to go up the 272 stone steps to arrive at the main cave area. On the way, you will be harassed by the many monkeys hanging out on these stairs. Inside the cave, you will see the unique limestone composition on the walls and the ceiling. A wonderful, natural occurrence. It's easy to visit this location. You only need to take the commuter and you will stop next to this location.